Hola Corillo, hoy vamos a hacer un video corriendo el Cadillac contra el carro de mi amigo. In today's video, we are going to race the CTS-V against Austin's car and see if Austin's car has what it takes. Austin thinks it doesn't. I think it does. We're found out. I think Austin just needs to shift better. Alright, so right now we just dropped off Austin to grab his car. And by the way, his Mustang's not stock. It is a 3-valve, which is a 4.6. But it is not stock. But neither is the Cadillac. It is not stock. I gave him the hit, but it still wasn't enough. And the car is also not tuned right now, which is dangerous, but we're about to run again. Let's see what happens. Gapped. Let's see what happens. You're gonna see a lot more racing videos, including the CTS-V now, and I have another little car that y'all gonna like. All right guys, so Austin told me to give him a fair advantage because he can't handle the CTS-V, which I understand. He has a 3-valve and it needs to get up against something more like an Ecoboost that's a lot slower, because 3 valves can't hang with a 5.7. We gotta go get the 2.3 liter turbo, which is half the size of his engine, to go race them. It's gonna be a more fair race. We're arriving to our second location. We're gonna do a dig real quick. I need to warm my tires up. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Outside. That's why my car feels so slow. Poor 4-cylinder. Poor little thing. So in that little clip of racing right there, the Ecoboost is actually completely bone stock except for coilovers and a 3-inch downpipe. No tune, no nothing. Bone stock Ecoboost 6-speed manual versus 2005 GT 4.6 3-valve 5-speed manual, and it has a bigger throttle body, lower plane delete, cat delete, exhaust. What else does it have? It has a lot better tire on it right now. It has a 275 in the rear, and the car made 300 to the wheels. The car is moving. Now, my car on the other hand made 276 horsepower to the wheels, and no clue how much torque, with 276 horsepower to the wheels. And my car is fully stock, and it is 100 degrees outside. So, it is expected for his car to win, but it was closer of a race than my race against him in the CTS-V. Maybe next week I will get y'all a video of the Ecoboost versus the CTS-V. I know y'all want to see that. 2 of my own cars versus each other, but I'm gonna wait for my father to get home so he can drive one of the cars. After that, we're just going to make some other content on another vehicle that I have.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up.
Alright guys, so today we got a special package. It is my very first mail time. I got this package from Puerto Rico, so we're gonna open it and see what's in it. Consists of a lanyard. I needed one of these, obviously Puerto Rican flag, because I'm gonna hang this up somewhere. Yeah, huge Puerto Rican flag. This is a Taino frog on this shirt. And this is a Puerto Rican flag with La Garita del Morro on it. Gracias, I appreciate it. I'll catch y'all next time.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try to speak up, can't say no.
If y'all like this video, leave a thumbs up. If you like these kind of videos, tell me what I should try to race next.
Save on, take to the top on the baseline. New car, race on, fast lane, pace on. With the booyah, that's a flex. Not human, I am from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish. I'ma wake up, do damage. Jordan number 7, he's bored though. Working all night, need more though. I remember nights I was poor though. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.